Creating a YouTube channel for product reviews may seem time-consuming and expensive. Buying products, filming, and producing content may seem like a daunting task, but let me show you a completely different approach. Imagine being able to have a successful YouTube channel without buying a single product and without having to film. Yes, you heard me right. Using artificial intelligence and advanced tools, you can produce professional and engaging videos and earn money through AdSense and Amazon affiliate marketing. This method will not only save you time and money, but it will also allow you to benefit from this lucrative market. If you think this method only sounds simple, watch this video until the end. I am going to share all my 7 years of experience with you at no cost. Here is the big secret of Amazon affiliate marketing that can make you tens of thousands of dollars. Now let's take a closer look. Is there a tool or technique that can turn your Amazon marketing links into a professional video? An engaging video that will encourage viewers to buy? Today, you don't need to look for a magic wand anymore, because AI tools do exactly that for you. Attractive and dynamic images. Show product photos from different and eye-catching angles. Automatic voiceover. Natural and pleasant sound makes your video more professional. These tools help you create videos that have grown significantly for social networks like YouTube without the need for complex skills and at minimal cost. These videos are not only engaging, but also designed to attract users' attention and increase sales. Let's get started together and take the first step towards success. Enter Amazon. As one of the world's largest online stores, it provides a great platform for buyers and sellers. Select the category of products you are interested in or plan to buy from. In the Amazon search bar, you can enter keywords related to the product you are looking for or select the desired section from the categories menu. Let's say I choose an iPhone. First, I download the image of this product from Amazon or some other source. Then I choose another product and download its image as well. These images are just the raw material for our video content. Enter TopView AI. This innovative platform uses advanced artificial intelligence to provide powerful data analysis and marketing strategy optimization capabilities. If you're looking for a smart way to grow your business, this tool could make a difference in your success. TopView AI tool. Revolutionizing video marketing with artificial intelligence. Today, in the world of marketing, video content production has become one of the most important tools for attracting customer attention. Brands and businesses are looking for ways to produce quality and impactful videos in the shortest possible time. This is where TopView AI comes into play and transforms the world of marketing by providing advanced artificial intelligence features. This powerful tool allows you to create attractive and professional videos that will make you stand out among your competitors. One of the unique features of this tool is the ability to create 3D avatars that are designed with high precision. These avatars can hold and display your product in the most natural way possible. This feature is very useful not only for content producers, but also for small and large businesses. Removing the background of images manually can be time-consuming and costly. But with TopView AI, just by uploading a product image, the background is automatically removed. The tool then places your product in the avatar's hands in 3D, as if the product is being displayed in the real world. One of the common problems in producing promotional videos is the lack of coordination between the dialogues and the avatar's lip movements. But in TopView AI, this problem has been completely solved. Using advanced artificial intelligence algorithms, the tool accurately coordinates the avatar's lips with your dialogues. TopView AI has a wide library of diverse avatars from which you can choose the desired avatar based on your needs. These avatars are offered in 2 categories, free and paid, so you can choose the best option depending on your budget. If time is of the essence for you, TopView AI is the best choice. This tool produces professional videos that are ready to be published on social networks in just a few minutes. Creating promotional videos with professional equipment can be expensive, but with TopView AI, you don't need to buy expensive equipment. This tool provides you with everything you need to get the best results at the lowest cost. If we want to give you a reason to use this tool, just take a look at its unique features. This platform allows you to create avatars that represent your products in a professional and realistic way. From automatic background removal to precise lip syncing with dialogue, every feature in this tool is designed to save you time and money while producing videos that will capture the attention of every viewer. To get started, log into the TopView AI website and create an account. The registration process is very simple and takes only a few minutes. Choose one of the available avatars. If you need more advanced features, you can purchase paid avatars. Upload your product photo. This tool will automatically remove the background from the image and place your product in the avatar's hands in 3D. The tool will generate 3 different product images. You can choose the best one based on the angle of the product. After selecting the final image, create your promotional video. This video is professionally produced and is completely ready to publish. Finally, download your video and share it on various platforms such as YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. Make sure that the dimensions of the product image are entered correctly. This will make the product appear more natural in the video. If you are looking for more advanced features, we recommend using the premium version of the tool. This version offers more features such as custom avatars and advanced editing tools. Before publishing your video, check it to make sure that your lips are perfectly aligned with the dialogue and that your avatar's movements are natural. This tool is a great choice for marketers, small business owners, content creators, and even big brands. You can produce high-quality, impactful videos for much less than professional equipment. TopView AI not only saves you time and money, but it also allows you to produce engaging and stunning content that will capture the attention of any viewer. If you are looking for a simple and affordable solution to produce professional promotional videos, TopView AI is a great choice. With its advanced features and ease of use, this tool will bring you a different experience in video content production. Visit the tool's website now, register, and create your first promotional video. If you are looking for a special discount, use the link in the description and start your journey into the world of intelligent advertising. Experience the future of video advertising today with TopView AI.
I am TopView Product Avatar. I can hold your product with just one image. You no longer have to spend a lot of time and money searching for real models to showcase your products. Use TopView Product Avatars to make your video marketing faster and more effective.
I am TopView Product Avatar. I can hold your product with just one image. You no longer have to spend a lot of time and money searching for real models to showcase your products. Use TopView Product Avatars to make your video marketing faster and more effective.